Jeremy Clarkson, slow down. Oh,
Relax.
look, you can drop me off and you can go around the girl.
We're nearly there, we're coming off. We're nearly to the last bit. Come off.
Slow down. This is a rental car, don't forget.
That's why.
There's lots of skid marks there on there.
Corkscrew, please.
Slow down, please. Hello? Slow down, please.
Slow it down.
You're acting stupid now.
Slowing down, Sean. That's it, we're off.
Oh my god.
That's where we'll come off, Sean.
Good. Yep, this is where we come off. Yeah.
Come off here, Sean?
Yes, get off.
Okay, stop it then. Before you have a heart attack.
That was, so you don't have to pay.
That was lovely, thank you very much.
Oh my